Hey guys, how are you all doing? We are fine over here. I have some good news. We hear that we will be allowed to go out from next Monday. Today is Wednesday, so from next Monday, the 27th of April, we'll be allowed to go for a walk, not just to go and buy food and stuff like that. So we can take the kids out to go for short walks. We are not allowed to go to the parks. The parks will still be sealed off because there's a lot of installations at the park where they will be touching things and with risk of catching the virus. But we are allowed to take a walk. We are looking forward to that. You don't even know how everybody is preparing for that. Hey, it's like prisoners that will be let out of prison on that day. So yeah, we are looking forward to that. But in this vlog, I'm going to do some throwback. Yeah, I can't wait. I can't help but think about what our lives will be like when all this goes over. So this is a throwback video. Remember, it's a throwback video. We did this long before we knew, long before this life of lockdown, life of quarantine. Yeah, enjoy the vlog. See who is coming behind. Yeah, it's such a sunny day today in February. It's so sunny and actually warm today, but not warm enough to go without a jacket. See that man coming behind. Do you recognize him? Do you? Nene, hello. Come this side. Come to this side. Say hello. Hello. You're out of breath. Yeah, we are rushing to go and pick up Kamsi. Kamsi, today is Friday. Kamsi went on a school excursion on Monday. 5 days away. The first time my son is staying away from the family. So he's coming back today. We've got to where we parked, so we need to rush and wait for the bus. The bus is supposed to arrive anytime now. The bus they traveled with. All right. Yes. See that one doing dengue behind. That one doing catwalking behind. Listen, look at the bouncing. Look at the bounce. My son. Look at my son. Look at my son. My son is back. Gazi is back. Gazi is after 5 days. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, a lot.
A lot. On a scale of 1 to 10, how many?
10.
10.
Or more.
We are going somewhere else. Nay, they won a prize. Our prize girl. There's an art thing related to the archaeological remains here. And they were asked to draw and paint something. And she did it. And she has a recognition for that.
The latest artist.
Yes. Our Michelangelo again. Leonardo da Vinci. Okay. She's our female Leonardo da Vinci. So that's where we're going.
Buscamos la cultura y recibimos fotógrafos, pintores, escritores, más de algún atleta. Tercer premio, obra Velocidad, autor Diego de la Iglesia Rodríguez. Segunda categoría, alumnos de tercero y cuarto de primaria. Mención para Kendi Kidera.
Wait now, let me finish.
Okay.
There you go. You protect the regular price again. Let's go and see the drawings, the paintings, everything that won. Sala de exposiciones. Ladies one. Lady girl. Lady girl. Are you shy? You're sure?
I like this one.
Yeah, I like the idea. Man is dreaming.
Es correr en Acapulco.
Yes. This is a very good. That's why.
Mi sueño es correr en Acapulco.
Yeah.
No sé por qué me lo pone.
It's a very good idea because that's the ancient man, no? He's dreaming about the sport. Yeah. The person combined the archaeological or the history with the sport, so it's a very good concept.
They need to do that.
This premier, I don't understand it. What is happening?
Me too, I don't understand.
Okay, this is the track. The person is running. It's almost 7 p.m. We just woke up from siesta, and these children dragged me out to come and play basketball with them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them.
Basketball.
Look at them. Look at them.
Yay!
They saw a ray of sunshine today in the afternoon. We want to play basketball. We want to play. Look at the weather. Look at it. Look at it. It's all
so
gloomy.
fresh, Mommy,
It's so fresh.
so
No,
fresh,
I
nah.
feel cold. Nigeria. I feel so cold now. It's fresh, yeah, but I want to be in my house.
Yes, sleeping like that, you know?
Sleeping like that. Okay, that's the court. Go and start playing.
We're playing this one.
I don't know which one. You want?
That one. Stop.
You want this one or the middle one? It's too high. Hey, that's good. It's too high for your age. Chihuahua. Yay! Yay! But is this higher than yours? It looks the same.
No, it's higher, it's higher.
It's higher. Okay.
It's higher.
This ball is not pumped. That's why. The ball doesn't bounce very well, no?
Yes, I know.
You know, why didn't you go and pump it with that at that man's shop? I told you. Where did you want to do it from under? Yo. The ring is bent. You're playing this lazy. Look who is bouncing and coming. You know, bounce. 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 You know, bit too. I'm going to can say.
Let me see that one.
Ha pump or ya pump. Oh, Mazia. Can I pour him? Have you already? It's not. It doesn't bounce at all.
Let's go, Daddy, let's go.
Yay!
Go.
Yay! Is that like push? Like once 3 point? Okay, not exactly 3 point, but wow. You know, the last time they used this ball was last summer. They haven't pumped it. I told Kamsi to go and pump it, or at least remind me. Let's go and pump it at that man's shop. But he didn't. Oh, basketball. Basketball every day. Look at the weather. 5 degrees. Oh my. It's not bouncing. Uh-oh. Daddy can make what? A slam dunk. I think you can make it slam dunk. Baby, we're going to slam dunk. May slam dunk. Ebwe. The man a slam dunk. I carry here much on you. I carry a metal ring. Black man can't jump. I
thought I heard that black men are the best NBA players.
Yeah, but this black man can't jump now. He's not using his black blood very well.
You are offending that?
Offending?
Yeah.
He's a black man. What's offensive there when you're called what you are? Okay, he's a brown man. Okay, he's not black, he's brown. Okay. Oh. Shaquille O'Neal. Yay! I caught that on camera. Boom! Wow! Yeah! 3-pointer. Bounce no, bounce now. Weak up, yeah. Woo! Almost. What 12 free throw.